Hey, if your books are a mess, you're not alone. Most consultants and contractors are amazing at their work, but their QuickBooks looks like chaos. Here's exactly how I clean it up and get you tax ready. So here's my story. Growing up, I was hit by a car. It shattered my entire world. And I had a short-term memory loss that affected everything. So I had to come up with systems that got everything in place. And I found out that in systems, that's also what made me an unstoppable bookkeeper. You see, when books are messy, you find that you are wasting time searching for those receipts, trying to find that last transaction you could not find. And then because of that time you've spent, you're also missing deductions. The deduction that you could have gotten for that meal that you made with a client, or the trip you took that was business related. Now you can't find the expenses because they're lost. And now tax stress. The CPA at the end of the year is nagging you for the documents you don't have. And now you have to spend a month just to find them, to get them all categorized. And while in the meantime, the reality is you're losing profit. When you're not working what you do, when you're not doing what you do best, you are missing profit. I mean, that shoebox isn't working. Those bank feeds don't reconcile themselves. And when you have wrong categories, you're missing out. So here's my process. Step one, I gather everything: bank statements, receipts, logins. I want things to operate syncly. I want the process to flow smoothly. And I want your books to balance. Step two, I organize by categories: income, expenses, assets, liabilities. Step three, I reconcile accounts. See, this means I take what is in your bank and I take what is in QuickBooks and I make sure they balance. I make sure they match. And then reality sets in and you know how much you made, how much you spent, and then how much you have left over. Step four, I give you that profit and loss report. How much you owe, how much you made, how much you owe, and what is left over. And the balance sheet. What you make, balance sheet is just basically what the number it is at that current time. That lists your assets, your liabilities. And then once all those reports are organized, I make sure you are tax ready. Contrast messy books versus clean. See, messy books are numbers that don't make sense. Expenses that are in the wrong category. Owner's draw, when you take money out, it is listed as an expense to the business when it's not. Or how about when you put money in and you call it income from the business when in reality it's you putting money into it? Your income is warped. See, I have a client who didn't know how much they made. Or rather, they thought they knew until I showed them, oh, shoot, that is not how much I made. I've been making decisions based on inaccurate information. Oh, my goodness. One consultant came to me with months of chaos. And I tell you, within weeks, they had clarity and confidence again. You see, You can either follow these steps yourself, or you can let me handle it for you. My job is to take the stress off your shoulders and give you back your time and clarity. So go ahead, send me a DM or click the link to get started today. Don't wait until tax season hits. Let's fix this now.